Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Andhita Prameswari with NPM 2241115. In this video, I want to explain about management control system. Today, we are going to help business stay organized and successful. Yeah, management control system. Just like any team, a business needs a system to keep everything on track, monitor progress, and make improvement. The system ensures that goals are met, research and used efficiently, and everyone is working in the right directions. Let's take a closer look at how the system works and why there is so important for any organizations. So let's get started. What is the management control system? Management control systems are essential tools for organizations to effectively manage their organizations and achieve their goals. They provide a framework for monitoring, evaluating, and improving performance across different levels of the organizations. The definition and purpose of management control system is a comprehensive system that enable organizations to set goals, monitor progress, and take corrective actions. 2. Purpose of management control. What is the purpose of management control? There is align activity with strategic goals, promote efficiently, and exchange accountability. The next slide is characteristic of management control system. There are four characteristics of management control system. 1. Goal-oriented. They are designed to help organizations achieve specific objectives, such as profitability, customer satisfaction, or market share. And the next is constructor and formal. They involve established procedure, policies, and reporting mechanisms to ensure consistency and transparency. And the next is perform focus. They measure and track key performance indicators to monitor progress and identify areas for improvement. And the next is adaptive and dynamic. They are constantly evolving to adapt to changing business environment and new challenges. And the next slide is key component of management control system. There are three components. One is planning. Planning is setting goals, objectives, and strategies. The planning is the first step where goals, objectives, and strategies are set to guide of organizations. It provides a clear direction and ensures that all research and effort are aligned toward achieving the same visions. So there are two planning, and the next is monitoring. The monitoring is tracking performance and collecting relevant data. Monitoring involves tracking progress by collecting relevant performance data. It helps ensure an activity are processing as planned and allow for quick adjustment if any issues are there. And the next is evaluating. This is analyzing performance data and identifying areas for improvement. After monitoring, evaluating comes into play. The collected data is analyzed in access performance, identify strengths, and highlight areas that need improvement. This process ensures that strategies remain effective and can be refined for better results. So there are three component key of management control system. And the next slide is Factors that influence of management control system. The factor is one organization culture structure. The organization structure is centralized of decentralized decision-making structure or impact control design. The second is industry dynamics. There are competitive intensity, technological advancement, and regulatory change influence control needs. And three is organizational culture. There are values, beliefs, and norms shape the effectiveness or control mechanism. And four is information technology. There are advanced analytic and real-time data access exchange control capabilities. The next slide is behavioral aspect of management control system. The first is motivation and an incentive. Control system can influence employee behavior through reward and recognitions. The next is communication and transparency. There are clear communication about goals, expectations, and performance feedback is crucial. The next is trust and empowerment. Effective control fosters trust and empower employee or make is trust and decisions within their scopes. And the next is feedback and learning. The feedback is learning or regular feedback and opportunities for learning and development exchange performance. In the next slide, we have to element management control system. The element number one is strategic planning. There are setting long-term goals and aligning organizational activity. It means this element involves setting long-term goals and aligning all organizational activity to achieve this objective. It ensures that every department works toward a common vision. The second is performance measurement. There are defining KPIs and tracking progress against goals. Performance measurement is about defining key performance indicator or KPIs and tracking progress against these goals. It provides a clear benchmark for success and allows the organization to measure its effectiveness. The next is performance evaluations. There are assessing performance and identifying area for improvement. Once the data is gathered, performance evaluation helps assess how well the organization is doing. It identifies strengths, weakness, and area where improvement is necessary. The next is corrective action. There are taking appropriate measures to address performance gaps. When performance gaps are identified, corrective action are taken to resolve issues. This step ensures that problems are addressed and the organization can continue moving toward its goals. Okay, there are element management control system. The next is how is important element of management control system. One, budgets. Budgets are financial plans that outline the organization project revenue and expense. They serve a goal to finance decisions and manage research efficiently. And the next is performance report. Performance report provide regular summaries of key performance indicator or KPI and other metrics. This report track progress and offer insight into how the well organization is meeting its goal. And the next is audit. Audit are independent reviews of financial and operational activities. They ensure compliance, verify accuracy, and help identify areas for improvement to maintain accountability and transparency within the organizations. The next is ethical consideration in management control. 1. Transparency and fairness. Control systems should be transparent and fair to all stakeholders. 2. Confidentiality and privacy. Sensitive data should be handled with corrections and respect for individual privacy. 3 is accountability and responsibility. Individuals should be held accountable and their actions and decisions. So this is the ethical considerations in management control. And next is why the emerging trend in marketing control system. One is data analytics. Data analytics is leveraging big data and predictive analytics for more informed decisions making. And the next is automation and AI. They are automating tasks, reducing manual effort, and improving expensibility through AI. And the next is sustainability and ESG. There are incorporating environment, social, and governance considerations into control frameworks. Okay, guys, well done for my presentation today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.